Hello, welcome. We are into two digits. No, hold on. Was that even words? Digits. They're digits. It's not digits. I don't even know what I'm saying. Start again. We are into two digits. We are the 10th of December. Well, we are not. The date is the 10th of December. This door is number 10. Is another little baking thing. These are so cute. Oh my goodness. So this will go with the mixer from yesterday. Oh, I'm going to have to think about these when I plan my build that I want to put these into, which is actually check in a little bit later tonight because this is ready to go. I think we are ready to go. But you'll have to wait and see. I'm very excited. So, but first up, let's, one thing at a time. Let's get this together first. So this goes down here. This goes on here. So this is just a little chair. And there are a couple of studs that you can stick your micro doll onto. But we need to have this on first. Otherwise, it just is wrong. Now it's correct. And the chair's a little bit higher with the extra circly bit on the bottom. Now we have got purple for the actual tabletop. And some more of these little rounded, navy blue plates. I love these pieces, these rounded 2x1 plates. I just use them in everything because they got holes in them, then they turn. They're really versatile. Okay, and on the top we have got a stick with a Technique pin, piece on it, and then we put the cylindery thing on this. Oh, this is making a rolling pin. We've made rolling pins before, but not with this design. So this goes through here because the stud's got a hole in it. It's supposed to go through here. You have to shove it through a little bit. You're going to need a bit of finger force. And then on the other side, the other one with the little hole in it just completely hides that Technique grey pin. And we've got the most perfect rolling pin ever. It's so symmetrical. Isn't that nice? Now, that's going to be on the tabletop. They're making biscuits. Wouldn't it be cute to have little gingerbread biscuits? Well, I'll take what I can get. This is cute. Don't know why I thought that would work. So there we go. The clip has to go that way so you can attach the rolling pin hanging off the edge precariously. And here is a spot for a teacup. So you can have a cup of milk while you are busy making your cookies. Oh, that is so cute. I feel as though I need to extend the tabletop a bit because having that rolling pin just hanging off the edge there is a bit dodgy, but that's all right. We've got extra pieces here. We've got another cookie, another little biscuit, and another teacup. This is so nice. We're getting quite a few extra utensils in this advent calendar. So we've got our second little baking build. It's adorable. And a chair so that they can actually sit. Well, they can stand. They can't physically sit, but then they can be standing on the chair and doing the baking at the bench, at the kitchen benches. That is so very cute. All right, I don't know what we're going to get tomorrow, but I do want you to check in later on after this video is uploaded because I have got a surprise for you to add to this. All right. You probably already know what it is. I'll see you then, and I'll also see you tomorrow for build number 11. See you for all of the things. See you. Bye.